In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to do quick shots with the DJI Mavic 3. Let's jump into it. So as you guys can see, I'm recording on my screen right now. You can see me sitting here. What's up? Quickshots is a new feature that DJI just released in a firmware update on the Mavic 3. As of the recording of this video, it may not be so new anymore, but I'm going to show you guys how to use it on the Mavic 3. Very easy to do. It's just a matter of navigating to the proper screen. Once you're in the DJI Fly app and you've got the drone open, what you want to do is you want to go to the box above the shutter button or the record button, depending on which mode you're in. And in here, you will be able to select the quick shots. So you scroll down here, you'll see it in between master shots and hyperlapse. So we're unable to enter the mode when we're not in flight. Sorry about that. Let me get the drone in the air. Okay guys, so I've got the drone in the air and now we're gonna select quick shots again. And there we go. So now that we're in here, you'll see all the different modes that you'll be able to choose from. There is droney, rocket, circle, helix, boomerang, and asteroid. And then next to that, you'll be able to select the distance. So we've got 90 feet, 110 feet, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, and all the way up to 390 feet. And so for the sake of this video, we're gonna go with a simpler one. I'm gonna do a rocket because that just goes straight up. We're gonna go, let's do a fun one. Let's go up to, okay, I guess we can go up to 250 feet. So now what we need to do is we need to select the subject. So it doesn't seem, okay, there we go. The drone is having a little bit of trouble seeing me. There we go. It can definitely see me now. So I'm gonna select that plus symbol. And as you can see, the drone can tell that I'm a person with a little person there. That's pretty cool. And I'm just gonna select, oh, subject lost. Let me try aiming at it, turning toward it, rather. There we go. So I think it can see my face better now that I'm aiming toward it. So now that the drone can see me, we're just gonna select start. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. So it's really like a top-down perspective, and it's pretty cool. Like the master shots feature that has been out for a month now, since the last major firmware update, it had all of these different elements inside of the master shot, like the droney, the rocket, all that stuff, but you couldn't individually do those things. So now that's basically the difference between master shots and quick shots. With quick shots, you can individually do those things. So that's what makes it cool. And as you can see, the drone will then return to its original point. Almost original point. But yeah, guys, that is how simple and easy it is to do a quick shot with the DJI Mavic 3. If this video helped you out at all, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos here on the channel. And also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up because that will help it rank higher in the algorithm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.